So in today's video I'll be showing you 2 DIYs that are very simple, very cheap, but very cute for in your room. So let's just get right into it. So for this DIY you will need of course some cardboard, twine. I use this decorative twine from Christmas, a good pair of scissors and a marker. First, I just googled an example picture of the moon cycle because I make a lot of mistakes when I do things out of my head, so an example is always necessary for me. And I figured out I need to make 7 circles for this moon phase. And I just traced around this clear container to make the circles. And then cut them out. It's really simple, but it just takes a little bit of time. And after about 20 minutes, I had 7 circles. And then it's time to trace out the moons. I just picked one to be the full moon in the center, and I just traced the other ones. So I just draw these out and then cut them out, and then I copy them onto the other one. And I just keep looking at my example picture and copying the moons. I do this freehand, so sometimes I need to try it twice or 3 times or 4 times, but eventually you will get a pretty moon. And then copying that one again, so I basically make the same moon twice but mirrored from each other. So now that my moon phase is done, we're gonna make some hanging room decor out of this. So I'm just taking this decorative thread from Christmas and we're gonna stick the moons on here. I know this is the easiest DIY ever, but that's what makes it so cute and so simple to do. Like, everyone can do this, and it's recycled. I love recycling, so this could make an awesome dorm piece or just room decor. I'm all about doing stuff for cheap on my channel and just doing it as cheap as possible because I'm broke. But if you wanted to do a little bit more fancy, you can use some clay or you can spray paint your moons gold or silver to make it look more expensive. So just make sure your moons are spaced out evenly and then your room decor piece is done. To make this Zodiac pillow, I picked out a pillowcase from the Action. I got some embroidery thread, and of course I need an example picture. I love the whole aesthetic of zodiac signs, and I really wanted to recreate this pillow I saw off of Pinterest for a really long time. So I'm gonna make a Pisces zodiac sign because I'm a Pisces, if you didn't know. Also, comment down below your zodiac sign because I'm really curious. My embroidery thread was actually too thick to go through the pillowcase, so at first you can see me struggling, but after a while I just got used to it. I tried to give this zodiac sign as much detail as possible, so I made some stars a little bit thicker and a little bit bigger than the other stars, and sometimes I just made like a little dot as a star. So you can get as creative with this as you want, and after a while my zodiac pillow was done.